Hey guys, what's going on? In this video I'm going to show you some wholesale supplies in UK, straight to the point supplies that can make you some money, where you can actually start sourcing your first product. Alright, those are supplies I've been personally using myself, some of them, not all of them, but they're all good, qualified and approved, and I'm proving them myself to you guys. Okay, so this is the first one. It's legal online. It's pretty much like a German sort of a franchise website, and it's a German niche website, and they also are selling to the UK customers. You can find a variation of different toys on this website. Obviously you can change the language at the top to English, and you'll be able to buy some wholesale products from this particular site. You can also look for the comparison to Amazon, whether you can find some items you can piggyback from and just buy and resell real quick. But it's really good for creating your own items as well, buying things in bulk and creating your own listings and trying to push them through the rank on Amazon. Alright, there's also another site called Eurolots. That's personally something I haven't actually tried myself, but it's been highly recommended by other people and have some fantastic options of the wholesale, and they're more of like a sort of a the private wholesale account website, but they I think they're where they registered. They're registered in I think it's in Bulgaria. Yeah, that's Bulgaria. That's where they're registered. That's have 2 languages here, and have a variation of different stuff. I'm going to show you another European supplier in just a second, which you can definitely use. That I have actually used myself a lot and made some good money with. But Eurolots is actually I think they've been doing a lot of they're like just a bit like 88 lots, and they do sort of lots on different merchandise and different arbitrage products. And I think when I last checked them, they've been in a moderation process. They're still being designing, but I think now they're fully working, and it's definitely a good chance to have a crack at them, and I might even check them out myself. And this looks really cool, and that's a supply for you guys. Okay, also another one here is Angel Wholesale, a British supplier, UK. Angel Wholesale, you'll be able to find any kind of products here. You can also use them for ungating too, I believe, because they're registered wholesaler, and that will definitely help you out with the ungating process on the UK Amazon. There's another one called MX Wholesale, very popular wholesale in the UK as well. Definitely same thing, Angel Wholesale, different variation of products in different categories, all kind of stuff that you're looking for, and definitely use them. I've bought some things from them before myself, so as Angel Wholesale, and they're very, they're cheap, and you can use this for all kind of business. And again, look for some flips on Amazon, etc. Get your VAs plugged in, and they can find some products for you. There's another one called Discount Wholesale. Discount Wholesale is the site where actually you can buy a lot of stuff in bulk. That's where a lot of pound stores shop as well. So and that's where they're getting the products from. Okay, so you can buy a lot of stuff for a very little price and sell them. This is more where you find a lot of small, cheaper priced items at, and it's not very difficult to become an account holder with any of those sites. Just need to register, that's it. Some might require to send you some paperwork and etc., but it's very straightforward if you're properly organized. So this can wholesale for you guys as well, and I'm going to show you my top one I've been using myself before, which is called NHถี่EU. It's actually like a manufacturer based wholesaler that I have personally shopped from and used a lot in my past career on Amazon. I still use them sometimes, not as much as I used to, but I do. And that's actually what I'm importing my first private label products from as well. So it's they're more of like the European wholesaler. They are in different countries. You'll be able to find different manufacturers from different countries here: Polish, Italian, Spanish. I've dealt with a lot of Polish suppliers here, and they'll send you the parcels with like a 5 to 7 day courier delivery. It's usually DHL or something like that. But you'll be able to find some wicked deals on this website, and this is, guys, for you to use. And just giving out some of my top supplies I've been using, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And keep rocking, guys, and I'll appreciate you all. Talk to you later. Bye bye.